The ASUS ROG Zephyrus is a top-tier gaming laptop crafted to deliver high-end performance in a sleek and portable design. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this gaming laptop in the description below at the latest price. This powerhouse combines raw speed, advanced visuals, and smooth responsiveness to meet the demands of serious gamers and professionals alike. Starting with the 16-inch OLED 240Hz Nebula Display, users can expect stunning clarity with a fast 0.2 milliseconds response time and vibrant color coverage of 100% DCI-P3. Whether you're deep into competitive gameplay or content creation, this display ensures an immersive experience with ultra-smooth motion and brilliant detail. Under the hood, the ROG Zephyrus is equipped with the latest Intel Core Ultra 9185H processor. With 16 cores and clock speeds ranging from 2.3 GHz up to 5.1 GHz, it provides exceptional multitasking and game processing capabilities. Combined with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU with 8GB GDDR6 and ROG Boost, it handles AAA titles, high-resolution rendering, and AI-assisted workflows with ease. Dynamic Boost technology intelligently shifts power between CPU and GPU to maintain optimal performance, pushing the GPU up to 2105 MHz when needed. This combination is ideal for demanding modern titles, 3D modeling, or even machine learning tasks on the go. Supporting this engine is 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM at a blazing speed of 7467 MHz, ensuring zero lag even when switching between heavy applications. Storage needs are more than covered with a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, offering fast boot times and ample space for game libraries, project files, and media. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, it comes ready for productivity and customization out of the box. The backlit keyboard ensures comfortable gaming in any environment, while the sturdy, lightweight design and a sleek gray finish makes it both durable and visually refined. Backed by a 1-year ASUS USA warranty, the Zephyrus 2024 stands as a reliable, future-ready choice for those who expect nothing less than elite performance from their gaming laptop.